So it's looking like it's a trend right now. So once they're done with their installation, they go hang it up somewhere here. They just put it here. Now, there's certain things that are just a no-brainer. Before this is going to sense fire and then deploy, that means the entire house is already engulfed with flames. They put it somewhere in the far end here. It looks very good. It looks beautiful, right? Or they take it and put it at the far right here as well. It looks good, right? This is an open installation. This is meant for a specific design. Use it for a specific closed circuit designs. The Fireball is designed to be inside a closed circuit cabinet in your installation. You're meant to slot it inside that closed circuit cabinet installation so that the deployment will be very effective. Deploying it outside the closed circuit cabinet installation makes it extremely very difficult for it to perform the function of which it has been designed for. Because before the fire and the heat will get to it, it's going to take centuries, and in most cases, it might never happen. And I will explain to you. That closed circuit cabinet installation is meant to generate the temperature that is needed for the Fireball to deploy. Don't forget the fact that the Fireball is supposed to get to a certain temperature before it deploys. And now when it's placed inside this very tight circuit environment, it helps that heat to generate faster so that the Fireball can deploy very fast. Secondly, it places those components that the fire normally will come from very close to the Fireball so that when the Fireball deploys, it's able to directly extinguish the fire with those retardant dry powder that it releases when it deploys. This would help to stop the fire even before it starts burning. That's the way it's designed. Think about it. This is simply a no-brainer. If this is hung up here, for crying out loud, how long is the fire gonna burn before it gets here? It means the entire house is already engulfed with flames. It's already too late. This guy will never be able to stop the fire, right? Think about it. It makes a lot of sense, right? Okay, so if it makes you feel good to always put it beside your installations when you're done, do it. But it's not going to do anything. What you will ask yourself, my friend, is where is the fire outbreak likely going to come from? I will tell you quickly. 3 places in here. Inside the inverter. Right? I already have one in there. So put one aerosol fire extinguisher in there. So if there's any fire outbreak or any form of fire, this guy is going to deploy and then extinguish the fire. The second place is going to be the enclosure box in here. So I have one here already. So if there's any fire in here, it's going to deploy and then suppress the fire. The third place is going to be the second enclosure box. I already have one there as well. That's where the fire is going to come from. But this is definitely not going to do the job it's meant to do when you put it here, right? No, I don't think so. Here is a real-life situation with a Fireball in a solar installation. The solar installation components got burnt, but the Fireball did not deploy.
Another shocking thing is that the fire extinguisher didn't do its job. Note that this video is not a means to create fear in the heart of people. Rather, it's a means to create awareness on safety measures.
Stick around, everybody. I got more to show you.